You know, when the sphere ID came up, we had absolutely no idea to build that thing.
The first question was, can we make a car levitate?
Because it's an unexpected new design, we wanted an idea that was equally surprising.
Its design was so unexpected, and the way we felt when we saw it for the first time, we wanted to create exactly the same effect for the public.
So they came up with this idea of rotating the car in a transparent sphere. We had so many questions about how do we make this work.
People come to us usually when they don't know how to do something. On paper, it was impossible to do.
We started with a little sketch on a piece of paper, and then we went through an entire process.
Engineering, strength tests,
3D rendering, smaller scale.
there were so many challenges, one after the other. And then filming in the right location, in the middle of July.
And then we built it for real.
It was really a tension all the way, building up, building up. Will it turn? Will it spin? Will it be okay? There was so much tension. Everything was working, everything was spinning, and it was majestic.
And then we saw it, and we were like, wow. We were all, we made it. We made it. That's the feeling we all had. We all shared at the same moment. Like,
Wow. The finished product, finished thing, made it such an impression. Really, really works.
All this was the sphere.